Welcome. I want to start off by showing y'all some of the earrings, anklets, necklaces. First off, we're going to start with some bracelets. I made this one today. This is some new material, some new paracord recently got, right? Paracord bracelet. It's something similar to paracord, but we call this one a fisherman cord. Plain black. You know, Grenada colors, man. Grenada colors with a little black. You know, this one you can wear it on two sides, but it definitely look best on this side. Red. It's like a red theme with red, yellow, and gold. This one has the recycled cord plus the seashell plus recycled beads plus gemstones. The plain red anklet. You open it like so.